Hi, I'm McCrory, Technical Manager of Cubis Systems. I'm delighted to launch the Cubis BIM and Digital Construction Tool at RealTex 2019. We hope this tool is a real asset to clients who are involved in infrastructure and network design. Our BIM tool has been developed to help designers quickly and seamlessly configure Cubis products across a multiple of BIM authorizing softwares, so these can be easily embedded into their project document and file. To experience our BIM capabilities for yourself, please visit the technical section of the Cubis website, cubis-systems.com.